Hi, and welcome to my presentation screencast on the BioSense software. Today I'd like to show you the basic features of the new software and demonstrate a 4-point calibration and perform some measurements after that. In our test setup, we have put the sensor in a chamber where environmental oxygen parameters can be controlled. As a first step, we change to the sensor tab to initialize the calibration. On this tab, we choose the 4-point calibration and put in a name for the sensor. In this case, we just put in screencast test and continue to the next step. In this window, we can put in the different oxygen concentration that we would like to use for the calibration. As point A, we use 0% air saturation. As point B, we use 30%. C is 70%. And point D is 100% air saturation. I now set up the environment for 0% concentration and start set point A. Wait for 10 seconds. Now we change to 30%. Wait for a few seconds. Give the sensor some time to settle. And start calibration point B. Now we set 70% air saturation. The control port runs a bit slow. That's a bug that I'll have to sort out in the future. But the measurements are running continuously in the background. So let's see. If I want to recalibrate a certain value, I just click on the value I want to reset, let's say B, and then I can calibrate that one again. Just leave that now. Let's change to 100. Click set. So now we have all values to calibrate the sensor and make the computations. This will take about 20 to 25 seconds. So now the computation is finished. I'll get a pop-up in my browser. Push OK, and we can check the values in the Setup tab. On the very last one, it says Screencast Test. And we go to Enhanced Sensor Data. We can check the values, the count, the raw count values, the values that were entered, and the computed values from the program. Right, we calibrated the sensor now. We can delete it. Okay, that was Jan in the background. The sensor has now been calibrated and we start to perform some measurements now. We start with 0% air saturation. We have to wait for a few seconds to see the results because the first few seconds it's averaging. the data. We now change to 30% as saturation. We see a little offset here of around 1%. Now we change to 70%. As you can see, we have round about the same offset here with 1 or 2%. Now we'll change to 100%. And now we're going back to 0%. I see Jan said 50%. Okay. And now we're going back to 0%. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our little video, and bye-bye.